In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and verify a bank account in Gumtree. First, open the Gumtree app or website and log into your account. Next, tap your profile icon and go to My Details. In your Details settings, scroll down until you find Payments section. Then, under Payment section, click on Manage Payment button. Now, in your payment settings, you'll see two options, Payment Methods and Bank Account. Click on Add Bank Account under Bank Account, and a window will pop up asking you to enter your bank account details. Enter account holder's name, account number, and sort code, and hit Save Bank Account. After you save it, Gumtree will start the verification process. In most cases, they'll send a small deposit to your bank account. Once you receive that deposit, come back to Gumtree, open your payment settings again, and enter the exact amount they sent. This confirms the account belongs to you, and your bank will be officially verified. And that's it. That's how you add and verify a bank account in Gumtree. Thanks for watching.